Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm working on another 3D art piece using the Easy Sculpt parts A and B resin. I want to do another Mardi Gras piece. This one I have named Mardi Gras Past, Present, and Future. And for my feather, I am going to mix equal parts of this A and B Easy Sculpt and just make sure that they are incorporated really well. And I'm working on a piece of parchment paper, and I'm using a skewer to sculpt my feather, and because it really does a really good job on making each frond of the feather, and I can actually kind of mold it the way I want it. And now I am using straws under the edges to give it a curved look while it cures. And I just got all these little bottles and stuff around it to hold it in place. Then once it's cured, I'm going to paint it the Mardi Gras colors, and this will be the Mardi Gras present part of this painting. So I have a 10 by 10 birchwood panel, and I've painted it Dioxazine Purple. I'm going to let this cure, and then I'm going to use Phalo Green and gold and use a chain to do a chain pull into the shape of the feather. And then I also used my skewer again to define the fronds of that. And then I'm doing another one in the brilliant purple and gold. And then once I get this cured, I'm going to do a coat of clear resin. And once I get that all spread evenly, I'm going to do another chain pull in some alcohol inks and iridescent colors to give it that ghosty feel of the past Mardi Gras. So these feathers are fading away while the other feathers are coming more to the present, and they will be considered the future Mardi Gras. So I'm just adding all these ghosty looking feathers into the background. And again, I'm just using the Phalo Green and the Brilliant Purple, and I'm using 24 karat gold for the colors. I'm going to let this cure, and then I've added the present feather that was created with the Easy Sculpt resin to the center, and I have put another coat of stone coat resin down, and then just laid that feather right into it. But I still felt like it needed something more. I did add some confetti in the same colors, just kind of sprinkled it around. But I just felt like there was something else that was missing. You can see here these feathers here are the ones that are the future. I really, really like the way the past feathers are fading away. So I added some gold Mardi Gras beads to finish this off, and I added another coat of stone coat art resin over the top, and then just arranged these beads down into it. And I also did, as you can see, where I tucked it along the edges where the feather was raised up from the wood panel, and that was just to kind of support those fronds so they wouldn't possibly get broken. So I think it turned out really cute. Really love these colors. So if you have enjoyed this video, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so now, and if you ring that bell, you'll receive future notifications when I upload other videos. And I want to thank you for watching this one. Bye-bye.